Hello everyone, my name is Malika. I am trained in clinical psychology and I'm a counselor at Eastside Clinic. I'm here to talk about adolescence. Now you may think adolescence is just a fancy word for teenage, but as I go along the video, you will see some differences. Now who are adolescents? Adolescence is the transitional stage that involves a series of psychological, physical, social and emotional changes which a person goes through. Now this period begins with the start of puberty and it ends with the attainment of adulthood. The World Health Organization says that this period usually lies from 10 years of age to 19 years of age. Now what is the big deal with adolescence? Why is adolescence such an important time of life and what are the issues which arise? There are psychological issues which involve development of self-identity, self-concepts. The person is very conscious about their body image. They develop curiosity about opposite sex and vocational planning starts during this time. The physical changes involve primarily the hormonal changes such as menstruation starts in girls and the boys develop facial hair or voice changes. Both the sexes attain sexual maturity and it is the hormones which are also responsible for risk-taking behavior, curiosity and attraction towards the opposite sex. There are also emotional and social issues such as development of relationships that may be friendships, romantic relationships, sexual relationships or relationships with family. They learn about appropriate social behavior, sexual orientation happens. There is a strong peer influence because the peer is considered more important than the authority during this age, and also there is a strong influence of TV, movies, advertisement which may lead to certain eating disorders or drug abuse. Now there are certain red flags that you need to look out for during this age if you are an adolescent or you are a parent. These red flags may be sudden changes in mood. The mood changes may be more depressed or more elated. Signs for physical, emotional or sexual abuse, sudden changes in appetite or sleep disturbances, sudden change in behavior, spending too much time alone, sudden drop in academic performance, indulging in antisocial activities like delinquency, theft or something like that, and any other signs indicating a marked change in the adolescent as compared to their usual self may be indicative of a bigger problem. The above signs may be just plain stress due to academics, relationships or family, or they might be an indication of more serious psychological disturbances like anxiety disorders or mood disorders or conduct disorders, to name a few. Now, how to deal with these problems? If you are an adolescent and having trouble, talk to your trusted circle or preferably your parents, or you can always consult professional help. If you are a parent and trying to deal with your adolescent kid, then the first thing is that they need to be dealt with care. Locking them up in their room or using physical forces may not be the right solution. Try to connect to your child, understand their problem. Educate yourself through different sources on the web. There are a lot of articles available on the webs, or certain books are written, you can read them, or there is always an easier way, you can consult professional help. Now talking about professional help, Eastside Clinic is your online solution to take care of your problems effectively and efficiently. Now how does Eastside Clinic help? Eastside Clinic has archives of self-help articles to refer to. It has an assorted group of psychologists and counselors which you can consult and they can help you figure out how to deal with your problems, keeping your confidentiality intact. You can make use of live chats, email, message center, telephonic or video services, and you do not have to make any appointment and no fighting the traffic. You can sit in your home and use all of these services with just a few clicks, because Eastside Clinic brings you the online solution for every problem. So if you are struggling with any problem, log on to Eastside Clinic and see your worries go away. Thank you.